Shout out to Michael for another amazing video. This is the cuttlefish, or they call them the cuttles. They are a species of marine mollusk from the order of Cepida, and they belong to the class Cephalopoda, which includes squids, octopus, and Nautilus, and they are some of the smartest invertebrates. They also have an internal shell, which basically controls buoyancy. So it regulates how and when they float. And the funny part is it's called the cuttle bone. Cuttlefish generally range from 6 to 10 inches, but there is a species of giant cuttlefish which can range from 20 to 23 inches and weigh over 23 pounds. In my opinion, that's very impressive. This is a very large, intelligent invertebrate. And cuttlefish like to eat mollusks, fish, crabs, and many other sea creatures that they can overpower. And what it's doing right now is it's basically changing its colors to hypnotize this crab. Cuttlefish have the ability to change colors at will, and they have a wide spectrum of colors that they can change into. Cuttlefish fall victim to predators like sharks, dolphins, and other cuttlefish, as well as octopus, but they're very intelligent. Just a beautiful species. They can mimic other animals. They can mimic seaweed. They can even flash in iridescent colors. Amazing how the universe works, right? It's just amazing. They have the largest brain to body ratio out of all invertebrates. Dope.